welcome to Brooke's Garden House episode 6. We got a lot accomplished this past week, so check it out. Take a look. Sean and I were on our own this week. RTB was on another job, so we were just pounding out the things that he left for us on his list of things to do, like finishing up the roof and making sure everything was level and framed out. And then Sean also ended up framing out the gable, which was great, and installing the little windows both in the front and in the back gable as well. So I think it turned out pretty good.
There's Brookie hard at work getting the primer on.
Scared to death. I hate heights.
Oh.
Nuts.
Somebody's got to do it though.
I know. I don't like it. I want to pay someone to do it. I don't like doing it.
DIY.
Look at me. I'm a mess.
Here's why we decided to prime and paint the room before we put the floor down. I just knocked over the can of paint with the ladder, so now we're scraping it off of the ground and we're gonna use it. Gotta make do with what you have, right? There we go.
Once we've used all the paint off the floor, Sean went to the back of the garden house and installed those gables and framed in the windows as well.
All right, cutting the tar paper for the other side of the roof and hoping to get the shingles on today. So gotten a lot of it framed in already over the week, and then today we're working on the roof. Brooke has been priming as we've been going, so a lot of it is primed already. There's the tape paper on one side of the roof, and then we'll get the other side done today and then hopefully get the shingles up. All right, we got our makeshift scaffolding right here, and then we're gonna get up here and put the tar paper on. Beautiful Saturday morning here in Hudson Valley, New York. Farmhouse 1820. All right, first shingles are going up here. We lucked out with a friend of ours had some extra shingles, so we got a good deal, and these things are gonna look awesome. They're gonna look like slate.
So this week we got the gable framed in, and we also were able to frame in the 2 little windows on the front and in the back. We got the back gable framed in also, so that is just a huge plus. And what I love about these windows is, of course, like the rest of them, I found these 4 of them on the side of the road, and I was able to repurpose, and they fit perfectly. And I'm loving how they look, and I was able to prime them too, so we're one step ahead. One other thing that we got done is we got the front door framed in. So that wasn't done last week, so we framed it in and primed it. And then come in a little closer, let me show you what we did inside. So I started priming in here, but terribly afraid of heights. So that's what I got done. I started freaking out a little bit, and I passed the job on to Sean. So I Tom Sawyered the paint job. So that'll get done hopefully soon enough. And then when we're done priming, that's when we're painting the ceiling. We're going to spray the ceiling. When that's done, then we'll start worrying about the floor. And we do that for this reason. So, yeah, we spilled a bunch of primer. And this way, if we're priming and painting, and we don't even have to worry about the floor. We don't have to put down a drop cloth or anything. We're just going to wing it. So that'll be good. And then once everything's pretty in here, then we can level it out and start installing the brick. But so excited about how everything is turning out so far. I'm good. Let me tell you another thing that happened and that I'm really, really excited about. We got the roof on, and I love it. And a friend of ours had these slate-like shingles and offered them to us, and of course we said yes because we didn't have any roofing yet, and I think they look perfect. And so Rob the builder came over, and the rest of the roof was framed in, and then we were able to put the roof on, and we got that done. I think it just looks so good. So I'm dried in-ish. I still have to put the siding up, but it's coming together, and I just think that the roof just makes it. Thank you so much for watching Brooke's Garden House episode 6. Stay tuned for next week. These columns are going to make a guest appearance. Actually, they're going to be built into the entryway. Very excited about that. And a couple shutters are going to be going on also. So I can't wait for that. But in the meantime, subscribe to my YouTube channel below so you won't miss a single episode. And also subscribe to my blog if you haven't already at Farmhouse1820.com. Thanks a bunch. See you next week.